Hannah from Epic here. I'm just going to walk around boat Wonderlust, which is a lagoon, 50 foot. It's a beautiful boat here. Got the water toys out on show. This boat offers diving. Francois, the captain, is a dive instructor. So we're just going to step on board. It's a beautiful boat. There's a theme at the show this year, which is pumpkin and cinnamon. So they've put on a great tablescape here. Katie entered the culinary competition today. So that was, again, pumpkin and cinnamon. So she worked hard and entered the culinary competition. So we'll find out the results tomorrow at the awards night. And we'll walk in here. It's Francois. Hey Francois. And Katie in a lovely funky chef jacket. So this is a beautiful salon. And what year is this boat, guys? Remind me.
Very end of last year.
Right, so
December 22.
December 22. So as you can see, great job. Katie's put up a few snacks here. I'm so full because I just had lunch on another boat. So I'm absolutely stuffed. So unfortunately I can't manage any more food. We'll just take you downstairs. It's a beautiful boat. Here's one of the cabins here. It's got Wonderlust t-shirts or swim shirts, caps. There we go. And this is the bathroom. And I love all the little touches they've done here. It's really, really nice. Got your toiletries. What's this? Oh, spray. And I love these. These are brilliant. Look at these stickers on the toilet paper. Such a cool idea. Beautiful shower. Lovely. Let's come out here and then we'll walk along here to the next cabin. Beautiful linens, really nice, fresh, clean, beautiful little decor pieces, nice, bright and airy. Good storage, great storage. Again, bathroom. It's a nice size. It's a good size actually. There we go. We'll come along here. We'll go over the other side. So this boat takes 8 guests. So we have 3 queen cabins, and then there is a smaller cabin, which I'll show you in a moment. So that's the other cabin. Again, lovely decor, great linens, storage, great bathroom. This boat smells so good. Clean, really clean. These guys really maintain it well. So 3 queen cabins, and then we've got this sort of cabin here. Now this bed pulls out when you want to go to sleep. Because it's all sort of ruched up at the moment. So this would probably be good for a couple of children or 1 adult in this cabin. Okay, and that's the group quarters there. Take you upstairs. So this is where Katie creates all her culinary magic. She's a great chef. Okay, so I'm going to take you up to the flybridge. It was really raining this morning, but now it's the sun's come out and we're all sweltering again. So you've got a nice space here. Sit at anchor, have your sundowners, have some appetizers before dinner. There we go. Beautiful. We'll go back downstairs. I'll take you up to the bow. So, as I said, this boat's a dive boat. So there's the tanks there. And then you've got this seating area here as well, which is great for when you're at anchor also. There's a paddleboard there. Lovely, lovely. I'll go around this side. Oh, champagne, lovely. We've got solar panels, neat. Okay, let me show you the favourite spot. Look at this. Can I open this, Francois? Is that okay? Yeah, thank you. Woo! Look at this, guys. So this is, yeah, all your favourite drinks. So when you fill out your preference sheet, the crew will get all your favourite drinks on board, ready for when you arrive. Oh, nice little bag to go to the beach with. Take some beers. Excellent. Let's have another look at these water toys. Oh, that's their tender. Little wanderer. Take you off to the beach or for a walk or to the bar. There we go, you've got a couple of sea scooters, another paddleboard, and obviously the dive gear. Great. Thank you, Wonderlust.